What's up guys, welcome back to Traction Garage. This is part 3 of the S2000 build. In this video we're just working on the headlights and a little bit of wiring. Real quick, if you want to skip over to the actual headlight restoration, I will have that in chapters, so you could just skim over and it'll tell you exactly where the headlight restoration starts. But right now all we're doing is just rewiring some wires for the headlights. I already did the other side, but what was happening here is that some of the wires were cut, some were missing, some were just super ugly and messed up. So I went to my local pick and pull and cut up some wires from some Hondas, and also got some sensors from them as well. I did this, I guess you would call it the cheap, easy way. I did not have a soldering iron, so I just did this with some heat shrinks by putting the wires together, and then as you can see here, just heating it up and putting it all together. Making sure I don't burn any of the wires, but it worked out great. Everything works, as you will see, and just cleaned up the wires here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is kind of a short video that I did. It's been really hard to get some videos up, but we are working our way up. I believe I will need some new headlights, but this will do for now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned with more videos to come on this S2000. Enjoy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, here I am just finishing up, buffing up the final touches on here. As you probably saw, I couldn't get all the paint off. It was very difficult to do that, but we did as best as we could. Turned out great. I might even keep this headlight for a bit longer than I thought because of how it turned out, but I definitely do need the other headlight. But stay tuned for part 4. We will be doing more things on the S2000, including a CR lip. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we could get more videos out. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.